Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy's cooking. This afternoon we're going to make a simple side dish, and it's something I love. I hope you do too. I love cauliflower. It's baked cauliflower and with a topping. It's so good for a side vegetable, like with pork chops and fried apples. That's a hint. And but I like it just to sit down and get a plate of it. Does it not much to please me, but except I do love cauliflower. And it's the prices have come down to it's pretty reasonable. Okay, now I've done that, and I'm gonna put it down in hot water that's already boiling for 9 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make the sauce to go on top of it. And what's cauliflower without a sauce, right? It's Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, garlic, salt, little Italian, salt and pepper. That's the sauce. And it's okay. Now this is a small head of cauliflower. It's not the big. So I'm going to cut. It's usually a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm not going to put a cup. I'm going to put about like 3/4. Same thing with the cheese. Three-fourths cup of the Parmesan. Let's see how that mixes up. That's a pretty good mix. Yes. Good. We got that. Take our cauliflower out. It cooked about 9 minutes. Just want to dry it off a little bit so the dressing will hold on it. It does look pretty, doesn't it? I love cauliflower. Now I've got my oven on 425. I think I'm going to put a little salt on it first. The rest can stay on, but I like, okay. Almost like icing a cake. I guess we can compare it to that. Okay. I think the rest of it will probably just fall down. We'll put a little bit of garlic salt on it. Now you can put anything you want to on it, of course, at this point. It's just a simple little recipe. And then salt and pepper. This is pepper, of course. And then I've got a little package of Italian here. It's almost gone, so I thought I could use that. Just give it a little bit extra flavor. Blend in right with the salt and everything. So, well, that's how simple that was. So I'm going to put it in the oven and bake a little cauliflower. Well, I think our cauliflower is ready to come out. Actually, you probably need to make two. I started to today, but didn't need quite that much, but they are so good. Now, you should try it. That's all I can tell you. You will always be a lover of cauliflower from now on. It's perfect. Everything, excuse me, as always, everything blends together. Well, this is a good side dish. Go cook you some pork chops and fried apples, and you've got a good meal. I'm kidding. You do what you want to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It really is good. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy this week. See you soon.